Yo, it's Mo. What we're going to talk about right now is the trend, which is so important. And right now, we're going to look at a day trading chart. Now, this is oil. Oil has been such a huge thing lately. You have people saying that it's going to go way up, it's going to go way down. Nobody really knows. That's why we have the 15-minute chart. It doesn't matter. It can go way up and way down in the same day, and we can make money going both ways. So this morning, this is Oxy. Warren Buffett has been buying this like crazy, so it's been moving the stock price a lot. First thing that I do, this is when we were day trading this morning, every morning in the Bid and Ask Nation, I noticed that there was so much price fluctuation happening in the first 45 minutes. These wicks that you see all over mean that there was price action going high, going low. Nobody really knew what was going on. What got me excited was looking at the volume. The overall volume was there. At some point, we were going to get a direction in the volume, whether it was positive or negative, meaning selling volume. And we got selling volume. You notice that throughout the entire morning, we stayed extremely consistent with selling volume, and that forced our stochastic below this red line, which is 20%, and that is your sell short signal. The next thing you look for after you get that signal is when do you actually execute the order? You execute the order when you start getting these engulfing candlesticks. And you're in this thing. You can stay in this thing as long as you're getting volume, as long as you're still below 20%, and you keep getting movement to the downside, you're still in this thing. Now, the most important thing to remember, and the reason that I'm talking to you all about this right now, is the trend. You need to make sure that your trend stays down. In the most ideal situation, trend comes down here and it just stays in an ideal world at 0% and it just keeps going sideways, sideways, sideways. Now, that's an ideal world. That's not realistic. Realistically, we need to pay attention to it and keep watching our volume, keep watching our trend, keep watching our candlesticks and see what's going on. You notice right here around 11:30, we started getting some buying volume coming in. The opposite, maybe people were taking profits, but then we saw that our trend started to kind of tick up on us. It started to go towards that area between 20 and 80, and it just kept going. And then you noticed candles just going sideways. All of this is an indication that your trend is going to change on you, and it certainly did right here around 12:45, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And that's your trend. If you want more videos on the trend, click right here. Remember, the more you understand, the less you will fear. I'll catch you on the flippity flop.